Have you ever spent hours staring at a bug that just won't go away? You've tried Stack Overflow, you've reread your code 5 times, and still nothing. Well, what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to debug your code faster, spot hidden issues instantly, and even suggest fixes that work. Let's jump in. First off, why is debugging so hard? Well, you're basically doing 3 things at once. You're finding where the bug is, understanding why it's happening, and figuring out the fix. All of those things at the same time. And let's be honest, sometimes we get stuck on one of those steps for hours. With AI, you can shortcut that process. AI tools read your code, understand the logic, and point out the problem sometimes in seconds. So let's check out 3 amazing tools that can do just that. Tool number 1, GitHub Copilot Chat. Have you heard of GitHub Copilot Chat? It's been making some waves lately. Basically, you write your question or describe your issue, then it will walk through your code line by line, explain the possible cause of the error, and suggest changes to fix it. Think of it as having a senior developer sitting right next to you, except this one doesn't get coffee or take long lunch breaks. It's always there ready to help. This can save so much time when you're stuck on an obscure error. Instead of banging your head against the desk, it helps you pinpoint the issue and get you back to coding faster. Alright, tool number 2, ChatGPT with Code Interpreter. ChatGPT with the Code Interpreter is another game changer. You can paste in your function or even the error log and it does some pretty amazing things. For example, you can ask it to analyze the stack trace of an exception and tell you exactly what went wrong and where. Or you can ask it to run mini tests to help you find the root cause of a bug. But what I really love about it is that it doesn't just tell you what's wrong. It explains the logic in a way that's easy to understand and suggests optimized code to fix the issue. It's like having a personal tutor that can explain concepts until you get them right. Plus, it keeps track of all the tests and the results, which is super handy when debugging. So if you're struggling with a tricky bug, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for help. Tool number 3, Codeium. Now let's talk about Codeium. What I like about it is its simplicity. It's free and works in multiple IDEs. You can highlight a section of buggy code and ask, "Can you debug this?" And it does just that. It pinpoints the bug and explains why it's wrong. Then it suggests a cleaner, more efficient solution. It's like having a colleague that not only catches your mistakes, but also helps you improve your code. That's pretty cool, right? Now here's a bonus tip. Don't just paste your code into these AI tools. Paste your error logs too. These logs contain valuable information about the problem. The error messages and stack traces can help AI understand the issue more accurately and give you a fix in one shot. It's like giving your AI assistant extra notes for an exam. It's going to help it ace the debugging session. In a nutshell, AI can significantly speed up your debugging process, especially when you're dealing with complex problems. Tools like GitHub Copilot Chat, ChatGPT with Code Interpreter, and Codeium can help you find and fix bugs faster, break down complex problems, and even suggest optimized solutions. They're like having a team of developers working alongside you. However, it's important to remember that AI is not perfect. Always test the suggested fixes. And don't blindly copy and paste code. AI can introduce errors too, so it's important to stay sharp and keep testing. In the end, AI should be seen as a collaborator, not a replacement. Use these tools, learn from them, but trust your own judgment. Stay curious, keep learning, and you'll be debugging like a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.